Popping, hopping, hiccups. Oh, hey! Shh! We have to be very quiet. Quack and I are on a bug-catching adventure.
Bug catching looks like fun, but not as fun as the adventure I'm about to have. What could be more fun than an exciting adventure right in the comfort of your own lily pad? Whoa!
Hey, Belly Up, why don't you come join our big bug-catching adventure?
Yeah, no one's better at bug catching than frogs.
No, thank you. I've got all the adventure I need right. Wrong pipe! Wrong!
Are you all right, Belly Up?
Yes, of course. Just...
Uh-oh. I think Belly Up has a case of the...
The hiccups! The hopping hiccups!
I got you, Belly Up!
No cause for fuss. That fly just flew down the wrong pipe. I'm fine.
Huh?
Oh dear.
Hi, Zack. What's going on? Hey, what's Belly Up doing way up there?
Panicking! I hate heights.
Don't worry, Belly Up. I'll get you down. I'm coming, Belly Up.
Huh?
Okay, Belly Up. Jump.
Way to go, Zack.
Phew. What a relief. Thank you.
No problem, Belly Up. Now, we'd better cure those hiccups before you hop off again.
Yeah, you could land on any page. And anything could happen.
You just need a tall drink of water.
My dear Zack, I'm something of a hiccup expert. I know all the cures. This cure is guaranteed to work. It's called the upside-down loony swing-a-rooney. You just hop up to a low branch, hang upside down, and swing back and forth 12 times. It's simple.
That doesn't sound so simple.
It's working! It's working!
Oh, no!
To the rescue!
Where'd he go? It's a bird! It's a plane! It's Belly Up!
He's gonna crash! This calls for a pop-up. Quick! Follow me! Belly Up! We need something to get him down!
On it, Zack! That ought to do it.
Poptastic! A paperclip chain! Look out, Belly Up! Pull!
Oh, dear. Thank you, dear friends.
Don't mention it. We're just glad you're okay.
Fine and dandy. I'd just like to get home to my lovely Lily. Oh.
I'm not so sure you are fine and dandy, Belly Up.
All you need is a nice tall drink of water.
Oh, of course. Why didn't I think about this before? It's called the Supersized Simplest Pie Surprise Cure.
Maybe we should give Zack's idea a try, Belly Up.
Yeah, Belly Up. Maybe you should let us help you here.
Frog wash. I'm a hiccup expert. My cure will be perfect. Someone just needs to surprise me when I'm least expecting it. I have to have absolutely no idea what's coming. No one can give me even the slightest clue. Exactly the surprise I needed. I think it worked.
Uh-oh.
No!
Come on, everyone! To the rescue! Excuse us. Quick, guys. Okay, thanks. Bye! Happy birthday! There he is! Oh no! He's heading for the thorns! Look out!
How can I ever thank you?
You don't have to thank us, Belly Up.
Let's just cure those hiccups.
Ah, yes. We need another cure.
Belly Up, I've got a cure. A simple one.
Me too. It's the old sure cure. All you have to do is hold your breath and count to
50, 10, 12, 5, 37, 100.
100 it is.
1, 2, 3. He didn't even get to 3.
Oh, dear. Maybe I'm not the expert I thought I... Somebody get me down!
The cure is simple, Belly Up.
What?
You just need a drink of water. And we've got plenty of water right here.
Is that all? Well, how simple. Maybe I don't know everything after all.
But Zack, the water's down here and Belly Up is up there.
We need something to carry the water all the way up. A straw!
You'd need a pretty big straw. A giant straw!
Exactly. Come on, everyone.
A little sticky tape ought to hold our straw together.
Come on, everybody. Let's get this straw up to Belly Up.
Yay! All right!
Whoa! Paper play saves the day! Now, Belly Up, drink! Oh, no!
Pardon me. I'm cured. I'm cured!
Yay!
Just one thing, Zack. How do I get down?
You can slide down, just like in the garden.
Yes, down. Down is good.
Don't worry, I got you!
Oh, thank you, dear friends. I may not know everything, but one thing I'm sure of. You are the best friends ever.
There's only one thing left to do.
Go home!
Everything back to normal. Just the way I like it.
Yeah. Sure you don't want to go bug catching with us, Belly Up?
No thanks, Zack. I'm perfectly happy, right? On second thoughts. Oh dear.
What a catch.
Bye.